Welcome to our exciting journey through time to discover the amazing world of dinosaurs. Imagine a world long before humans, where colossal creatures roamed freely. Today, we'll learn about different types of dinosaurs, their habitats, behaviors, and unique traits. Prepare to be astounded by these magnificent beings and the world they inhabited millions of years ago. Few dinosaurs capture the imagination quite like the Tyrannosaurus rex. Known as the tyrant lizard king, this fearsome predator has fascinated scientists and the public alike since its discovery. Its name alone evokes images of a powerful, unstoppable beast ruling the prehistoric world. This colossal predator, measuring up to 40 feet long and weighing over 7 tons, was a true giant of its time. Imagine a creature as long as a school bus and as heavy as an African elephant, stalking the ancient landscapes with an air of dominance. Its sheer size was enough to intimidate any potential rival or prey. Its most striking feature, aside from its sheer size, was its massive skull, which could reach over 5 feet in length. This enormous head was not just for show, it was a lethal weapon. The skull was designed to withstand the forces generated by its powerful bite, allowing it to crush bone and sinew with ease. This skull housed a set of teeth unlike any seen in the animal kingdom, some as long as a banana, and serrated like a steak knife, perfect for tearing through flesh and bone. These teeth were not just sharp, they were also incredibly strong, capable of withstanding the stresses of biting through the tough hides and bones of its prey. Each tooth was a marvel of natural engineering, designed for maximum efficiency in hunting and feeding. The Tyrannosaurus rex was a formidable hunter, its powerful legs propelling it towards prey with surprising speed. Despite its massive size, it could move with a grace and agility that belied its bulk. These legs were not just for running, they were also crucial for maintaining balance and stability during a chase, allowing the T-Rex to make quick turns and sudden stops as it pursued its quarry. Its binocular vision, similar to that of a modern-day hawk, allowed it to judge distances with remarkable accuracy, making it a true terror of the late Cretaceous period. This keen eyesight was essential for spotting potential prey from a distance, and for making precise attacks. Combined with its other formidable attributes, the Tyrannosaurus rex was the apex predator of its time, a creature perfectly adapted to dominate its environment. In the same era as the mighty Tyrannosaurus, Rex lived another iconic dinosaur, the Triceratops. This massive herbivore, with its 3 horns and bony frill, is instantly recognizable. The Triceratops could grow up to 30 feet long and weigh as much as 6 cars. Its most distinctive feature, of course, was its skull, which could make up almost a third of its total body length. 2 long horns positioned above the eyes could reach over 3 feet in length and were formidable weapons for defense against predators. The frill, extending from the back of the skull, may have served multiple purposes, from protecting the neck to attracting mates. Let's journey now to a different part of the dinosaur world, a world dominated by giants, creatures so large they dwarf even the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex. These colossal beings roamed the earth millions of years ago, leaving behind a legacy that continues to captivate our imaginations. The Brachiosaurus, with its impossibly long neck and towering height, stands out as one of the most iconic of these gentle giants. Its name, which means arm lizard, is derived from its unique limb structure, where the front legs are longer than the hind legs, giving it an almost majestic stance. Is a prime example of these gentle giants. Unlike the fearsome predators of its time, the Brachiosaurus was a herbivore, peacefully grazing on the abundant vegetation that flourished in its habitat. Imagine a creature so tall it could look into a 4-story building. This incredible height allowed the Brachiosaurus to access food sources that were out of reach for many other dinosaurs, giving it a unique advantage in its ecosystem. The Brachiosaurus could reach a staggering 85 feet in length, making it one of the longest dinosaurs to have ever existed. Its massive body was supported by strong, pillar-like legs that helped it move gracefully despite its enormous size, and weigh as much as 20 elephants. To put that into perspective, that's equivalent to the weight of about 100,000 pounds. This immense weight was distributed across its large frame, allowing it to maintain balance and stability. Its long neck, supported by a series of strong muscles and tendons, was a marvel of natural engineering. These muscles and tendons worked together to lift and support the neck, enabling the Brachiosaurus to reach high into the treetops. allowed it to reach high into the treetops to graze on leaves that other dinosaurs couldn't. This ability to feed on such high vegetation meant that the Brachiosaurus had little competition for food, ensuring its survival in a diverse and competitive ecosystem. Its teeth were adapted for stripping leaves, not chewing, which was an efficient way to consume large quantities of food quickly. The Brachiosaurus would use its peg-like teeth to strip leaves from branches, swallowing them whole. So it swallowed its food whole, relying on its massive stomach to do the rest of the work. Inside its stomach, the Brachiosaurus had a unique digestive system that included gastroliths, or stomach stones, relying on stones in its stomach to grind down the tough plant matter. These stones acted like a natural grinder, breaking down the fibrous plant material and aiding in digestion. This fascinating adaptation allowed the Brachiosaurus to thrive on a diet that would have been difficult for other herbivores to process. Our next dinosaur is a marvel of evolution, a creature so uniquely designed it seems to defy logic. The Stegosaurus, with its distinctive plates and spiked tail, is a puzzle that continues to fascinate paleontologists today. This plant eater, measuring up to 30 feet long, was no lightweight, weighing in at over 5 tons. Its most recognizable feature, of course, is the double row of plates that ran down its back. These plates, some as tall as a human, were not solid bone but were made of a lighter, bony material with a network of blood vessels. While their exact purpose is still debated, they likely played a role in regulating body temperature and attracting mates. The Stegosaurus roamed the Earth during the late Jurassic period, around 150 million years ago. It lived in what is now North America, sharing its habitat with other iconic dinosaurs like the Allosaurus and the Apatosaurus. Despite its formidable appearance, the Stegosaurus was a herbivore, feeding primarily on low-lying plants. Its beak-like mouth was perfect for stripping leaves from ferns and cycads. The Stegosaurus's brain was surprisingly small for its body size, roughly the size of a walnut. This has led to much speculation about its intelligence and behavior. However, its small brain didn't stop it from thriving in its environment. The Stegosaurus's body was well adapted to its lifestyle, with strong legs for support and a flexible tail for defense. The double row of plates along its back is one of the most distinctive features of the Stegosaurus. These plates were not just for show, they may have helped the dinosaur regulate its body temperature. The network of blood vessels within the plates suggests they could have acted like radiators, releasing excess heat or absorbing warmth from the sun. Another theory is that the plates were used for display purposes, either to attract mates or to intimidate rivals. The Stegosaurus's tail, known as the thagomizer, was equipped with long, sharp spikes. This formidable weapon could have been used to defend against predators, making the Stegosaurus a challenging target for any would-be attacker. The Stegosaurus remains one of the most iconic and intriguing dinosaurs, capturing the imagination of scientists and the public alike. Its unique combination of features, from its towering plates to its spiked tail, makes it a true marvel of prehistoric life. As we continue to study this incredible creature, we gain more insights into the diverse and fascinating world of the dinosaurs. Our final dinosaur takes us to a world of agility and cunning, a world ruled by pack hunters with deadly claws and remarkable intelligence. The Velociraptor, though smaller than its Hollywood depiction, was a formidable predator in its own right. This feathered dinosaur, measuring about 6 feet long and weighing around 30 pounds, was built for speed and agility. Its most lethal weapon was its enlarged sickle-shaped claw on each foot, which it used to pierce and tear its prey. The Velociraptor was likely a highly intelligent dinosaur, as evidenced by its large brain size relative to its body. It's believed that these dinosaurs hunted in packs, using coordinated attacks to bring down larger prey. Thanks for joining us on this dinosaur adventure. We've only just scratched the surface of this fascinating world, a world teeming with creatures both strange and wonderful. We hope you had fun learning about these incredible creatures from the past. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting educational videos.